Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable OneDrive sync in no-code internal apps. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To disable OneDrive sync in your internal apps, start by locating the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. Right-click on the OneDrive icon to open the context menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. Here, you will see the option Choose Folders. Click on Choose Folders to open the Folders selection screen. Uncheck all the folders you wish to stop syncing. After unchecking, click on OK to confirm your changes. Now, return to the Account tab. Click on Unlink this PC to stop syncing your OneDrive account entirely. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Unlink Account to proceed. Once unlinked, close the Settings window. To ensure changes are effective, restart your computer. After your computer has restarted, verify that OneDrive is no longer syncing. For added security, you can also uninstall the OneDrive application if it's not needed. To uninstall, access the control panel or settings on your computer. Locate OneDrive in the list of installed programs. Right-click and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. After uninstallation, OneDrive will no longer affect your internal applications. And that's it. You have successfully disabled OneDrive sync in your internal apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.